Welcome to Vizkits. If you're here, you've either attended our Get Accredited Ready training or you've just got a specific interest in Tableau. The training covers all you need to know to pass the Desktop Specialist and Data Analyst exams. Stick around at the end of the exercise solution for more information. By the end of the 18 exercise solutions, you'll end up with 4 interactive dashboards just like these. The content in this solution video covers the following material from the training: creating point maps, creating field maps, and map layers. So page 56 of our manual, quite a quick exercise this one, looking at maps. In the My Get Accredited Workbook, as usual, we're going to amend some of the worksheets that we've already created. So I'm going to go into the orders map here. So we've already built the point map, and we've got a measure on colour and a measure on size. So it's basically the count of orders. And both size and colour are representing the number of orders, but we're going to amend that so we're representing 2 different measures, one for size and one for colour. So we're going to scroll up to the order details section. We're going to drop the sales measure onto size, and that now replaces the count of orders. And then from the bottom section of the data pane, we're going to drag profit onto colour, and that's now replaced the count of orders as well. We're going to rename the worksheet sales and profit city map instead of orders map. So sales and profit city map. We're also going to replace the ship city, ship country. We want that to come from the customers section now. So when we first created this, we haven't created the relationship to the customers table. We're going to use city customers. It's in the geographic region hierarchy. I'm going to replace ship city with city customers and ship country with country customers. We've got the toolbar here that can be used to zoom in and zoom out of the map. So click on the plus here, we're going into our levels of zoom. Click on the minus, we're coming out. You can use some of the controls here. So we've got a pan option to pan around the map. It's quite easy to get lost. If you do get lost, just click on the pin and it will take you back to the top level of detail. So if you clicked on search and you go to London, it will zoom into London. There's our mark that's representing the City of London. You can use the map file menu now to change the background layer, so we can change the type of map. You can add layers to that map as you need to, or remove layers. If you click on the cross, it takes you out of background layers, and if you click on the pin, it takes you back to the top level of zoom. Let's make sure we save that workbook. Then there's a field map or a choropleth map. We duplicate this sales and profit city map, and we're going to call this our country profit map. So this time I'm going to remove the sum of sales, so that's no longer on size. And I'm going to remove the city. And Tableau actually knows the shape of customers. So because we've got nothing on size now, Tableau's actually set the automatic mark type to our map mark type. There is a feature called map layers, which is going to allow me to overlay other layers on this map. So what I'm going to do, from the customers section, I'm going to bring city customers. And this time, in the top left hand corner of the map, we've got this add a marks layer. So we've now got a marks card for our original field map, but we've also now got this city section. What I'm going to do is, from the customers section, I'm going to drag the country customers onto the detail section, because We're just showing the level of detail of city at the moment, and there's no context behind which countries they belong to. So let's go to country customers and drop that on detail, and you can see the number of cities being shown and the number of unknowns has gone down. I'm going to click the colour and I'm going to change the colour of those to black just so we can see them a little bit easier. And I'm going to pop a white border on those. And then we've got 17 unknown. You've got a number of options here. If Tableau's got it wrong, you can map manually using the edit locations, or we can filter the data, or we can show the data at the default position. So show it as a 0, which is what I'm going to do. We've got a weird city there of Anchorage sitting below Africa, so there's a problem in the data there. There's one more unknown, and I'm going to show that data at the default position as well. So from the map file menu, I don't want the user to be able to use the toolbar options, so I'm going to go to map options, and I'm going to turn off the map search, turn off the layer control, turn off the view toolbar, and turn off the pan and zoom, and the user's no longer got access to those. Make sure we save the workbook, and that's another exercise chalked off. If you've enjoyed the video, please like, follow and subscribe, as I'll be posting a lot more content than just the exercise solutions. And if you're interested in attending the training, then visit our website vizkits.co.uk. There's a course every week, and for only £99 you get a one-day online course that will cover all of the material that you need to know to pass the Tableau Certified Desktop Specialist and Tableau Certified Data Analyst exams. All delegates are given a 100+ page exercise manual containing 18 detailed exercises to complete offline. The exercises will test what you have learned and give the trainer an idea of how well you've learned the material. All exercise solutions are available as videos on YouTube, so if you get stuck, there's help available online. You'll need to submit the completed exercise workbook to the training for evaluation about a week after the course. The trainer will then schedule a 1-hour online face-to-face meeting to discuss your strengths and weaknesses and advise you if you're exam ready and what you need to work on. If you just want the exercise solution manual, then that's available as well for £19.99. See you all on the next video.